Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter number 7, human occupation and the types of the human occupation. And the type of the human occupation. The development of the human practice different type of the occupation from the birth of the human to now the time. The different type of occupation practiced by the human. First of all, here what is active? The human is the active creature. Human is the active creature, and for the survival, the human practices the different type of the work. The human activities which bring economic growth. For here, the human activities which bring economic growth are known as economic activities. What here? The human activities which bring economic growth are known as economic activities. So first of all, what is economic activities? The human practices या human activities which bring economic growth. जिससे क्या होता है human का economic growth? The money increase the human. ठीक है, या the life level easy या high life level increase of the human. Then here all these activities related to economic growth are known as the economic activities, and economic activities practiced to for livelihood, and livelihood are known as the occupation. So what is occupation? Here the definition of the occupation: the economic activities practiced to earn livelihood are known as occupation. What is occupation? Economic activities, all these economic activities practiced to earn livelihood are known as occupation. For definition of the occupation: economic activities practiced to earn livelihood. Livelihood means here they complete their necessity. The human practices all these activities complete for his necessity. Yes, to survival are known as the occupation. Which activities done practiced by the human for their livelihood, for complete their necessities, are known as the occupation. And here we discuss about the development of changing nature of the human occupation. Development and changing nature of human occupation. The different type of the occupation done by the human. Different type of occupation done by the human. From the birth of the human start the hunting. And the food gathering. Human start firstly here the hunt wild animal and food gathering, and after that the human think about that here the what here the lack of the animals. Then what was the survival, human कैसे survival करेगा? Then human start the animal rearing. जब animal का क्या करेंगे, hunt करते जाएंगे तो एक time क्या आएगा? All these animals are end. Then what here the food for the men. Then the human start the animal rearing. And here the type of the animal rearing. Transhuman. The human not stable one place, and here what? Here the transhuman. What is transhuman? Then the human migrate. The human migrate with their animals. Like here. Then here the winter season, the mountainous region, highland region. Here the winter season. Then in winter season here the no grassland on highland region. Here the ice covered and the many other. Then here the no grassland. Then the human migrate in plain region. In particular winter season. This type of the migration known as the transhuman क्या कर रहा है? अपने जो एनिमल्स उसके साथ क्या कर रहा है? Then here the not grassland, not here the grass, upper highland. Then they change their place. और कहाँ पर जाते हैं winter season में? In plain region. And another, then here the plain region, the human resides in the plain region. In summer season, here not the grass. Then lack of fodder, the human change their place. Places, and वो कहाँ पे चले जाते हैं? In highland region in summer season. This type of the migration known as the transhuman. ह्यूमन, ट्रांस ह्यूमन। अभी क्या हो रहा है, एनिमल रेयरिंग स्टार्ट बाय द ह्यूमन, और एनिमल रेयरिंग में क्या हो रहा है, पर्टिकुलर ट्रांस ह्यूमन। देन डेवलप ऑफ द ह्यूमन, ह्यूमन स्टार्ट द एग्रीकल्चर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हियर द एग्रीकल्चर टाइप इज द शिफ्टिंग एग्रीकल्चर, shifting agriculture. Then what is shifting agriculture? Then the human cut the forests, then burn and clean, then start here the agriculture. Then here the fertility of the land is down, then the human change their places. Thus type of the agriculture, then the human change their places for agriculture are known as the shifting agriculture, are known as the shifting agriculture. The human start the animal rearing, shifting agriculture, and then the human establish fertile plain because their necessity related to the water and the other other necessities complete in the fertile plant. Then human start here permanent agriculture and the animal rearing, animal husbandry and the permanent agriculture. Then the human permanently settle in the fertile plain. Here the develop civilization. Some then here the civilization develop, the small villages convert in the urban. The small villages are convert in the urban. The civilization like here Mesopotamia civilization, Indus River Valley civilization, Nile River Valley civilization, Hango River Valley civilization, the many civilization develop. And the discover after that here the discoveries and technologies, in approx here the medieval period, here the discoveries and the technology develop here. Then the human start the many other works, and human start the mining, here the invention of the metal, and here what is that, here the people engage in the industries and they start the second occupation, and then trade and commerce, and here what, urbanization. जब क्या हो रहा है, here the industries increase, then here the trade and commerce increase, then here the human settle in the urban, and the urban population also increase, and the urban regions या city region also increase, and here the what is urbanization, and the people and the population and the human start the work like here the पहले तो क्या कर रहा था, primary activities, secondary activities, and now here the human engage in the service sector, tertiary, quaternary and the quaternary activities. So all these are here we discuss about the development and the changing nature. क्या हो रहा है, the changing nature of human occupation, the human occupation nature also change. Firstly they start from the hunt wild animal, food gathering, and now the permanent agriculture, animal husbandry, availability of the fodder every time, and also engage in the service sector. Now for this order of development, जो हमने अभी किया है, ठीक है, can be divided in following stages, clear? Prehistoric period, ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. Four type here, the prehistoric period, ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. So first year the prehistoric period, where after the birth of the human on the earth, the human start the hunting, food gathering, for survival. And now then the human start the transhuman, and the developing of the human start the shifting agriculture, and the in prehistoric age human invention, human here the invented the wheel and start here the cart with join with the animals, here the use of the cart join with the animals, and here in this period the human also start the utensil from clay, यानी मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाना स्टार्ट कर देता इन प्री हिस्टोरिक एज. अभी जो हमने किया ना डेवलपमेंट चेंजिंग ऑफ द नेचर, इसी को क्या किया है, डिवाइड इन द स्टेजेस, क्लियर? नेक्स्ट ईयर ancient period. In ancient period human start the agriculture. What here, human start the agriculture, and here also agriculture, but here the shifting agriculture. Now here the in ancient period shifting agriculture also here the practiced, but here the human start to stability and start the agriculture, permanent agriculture, and here animal husbandry, the availability of fodder every time, and the human stable one place, and animal husbandry and the agriculture is the main occupation of the ancient period. And here the invention of the metals like here the iron, copper, and bronze, Human start here the some cottage industry also. Cottage industry the use of the metals also. The human start here the use of the metals also in the ancient period, and here the many type of the civilization also develop. Like here the near the Indus River Indus River Valley civilization in India and Pakistan. Next here the Mesopotamia civilization. The Mesopotamia civilization developed nearby the bank of Tigris and Euphrates River. The part of the Mesopotamia civilization, the Babylonian civilization, Sumerian civilization, and developed here the Hangu River Valley civilization in China. The bank of the Hangu and the Yangtze River, and the Nile River Valley civilization, the both side of the Nile River in the Egypt. So many type of the civilization developed in the ancient period. The human stability here the start, and the main occupation of the human is agriculture and the animal husbandry. The permanent agriculture and the animal husbandry in ancient period. Now here the medieval period from the 600 to 5000 AD. 600 to 5000 AD. What here the agriculture develop. In medieval period was start here the agriculture develop. The develop agriculture also here the, but here the some new ways also, some new invention increase to increase the production use in the medieval period, and the religious thought also spread in the world. सब लोग क्या चाहते थे? Then influence of the his religion, like here the Christian, like here the Christian, Muslims also, and the commerce and the trade start in this period. The European civilization, European country want to hear the more benefits, and they start the commerce and the trade, and here develop the cottage industry. In medieval period. The cottage industry developed in medieval period. Now the modern period. In modern period here, the invention of the machineries, the cottage industry are developed in the large industries, and the human want to the more benefit, and the population start to engage in the manufacturing works. In agriculture here the also start the HYS, high yield seeds and chemicals and the fertilizers to high production in the agriculture. In machinery develop here, then here the production in industry also increase here, and the people start to engage in the service sector. The developed countries population engaged in the service sector, and the developing countries are engaged in the like the manufacturing works. So here now the time the population start the here population work here, they also engage in the primary and the secondary activities, but now the population move towards the tertiary activities. The tertiary activity part also the quaternary and the quinary activities. Third, we studied about the development of the human occupation.